As a part of the learning at home process, students will be using Google Classroom as their primary source of information from their teachers. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to navigate Google Classroom to see what students will be using to gather their content for each week. So the way they'll do that is to actually load into Google Classroom. Each student should know how to do this already. However, they'll basically select the Google Apps icon on the top right hand corner and then select the icon Classrooms. From there, that's going to load a list of all the classes that they are currently enrolled in, and it'll be able to access the weekly content available to them. Okay, so now that that's loaded, I'm going to jump into just one of my old classes that I'd created. Okay, this is a 12 design class. Okay, and in the stream, it's going to show content that has been posted the most recent. Now, I'm using a different learning management system, hence why this is old information, but the point still remains the same, that the stream is going to provide students with the most up-to-date information through that Google Classroom channel. If they jump into classwork, they're going to see a more logical layout for where content has been uploaded for them on a weekly basis. So as you can see here from last year, to show you some previous week's work, it's ordered sequentially in weeks, and as they jump into the week, based on the unit title, they can gather the content they need. To view the post in its entirety, students will click View Material, and they can see the instructions that are required for the task, as well as the content that they need to complete whatever that might be. So in this instance, you can see there's been images uploaded, there's a PowerPoint presentation, there's some video tutorials, and essentially this is the week's work that will be completed by those students. Now that will also be communicated by individual teachers, as individual teachers will have different expectations, but essentially the process will remain the same, that they'll go through Google Classroom, find the content that they require to complete for the week, and ensure that they maintain communication with their teachers. So again, the Google app icon and Classrooms is going to be that primary source of information for students. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.